In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create alpha transparency by using material nodes. This is how the scene looks like. The sphere was not modified, and the rough surface was arranged only by using the material nodes. There are 3 spheres in total: a core, a shell, and a background. This is how the shell looks like in Eevee. It might have taken more time to model it, if we were to achieve that illusion just by modeling. This is in cycles, but in order to achieve this rougher illusion, we must use the displacement and bump setting under material settings. The background sphere has a default material with its color changed to black. The shell mesh has a metallic material, and its alpha and displacement were modified further. The core mesh is using the default BSDF nodes emission feature. Let's take a look at the shell material in detail. Here are the full nodes. I'll zoom them even closer shortly. The key point to remember is how the texture coordinate node is connected to the mapping node. Basically, we're separating and moving the UV coordinates, z, axis to create a twist illusion. One more thing to remember is how the Voronoi texture node is connected to both color ramp and displacement. I'll zoom the rest of the nodes. This is the background sphere. This is the shell sphere. This is the core sphere. Lastly, here are my composition nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.